everyone. I just wanted to take you behind the scenes today, so you can see how I show up every single Monday for Q&A Monday on Facebook, as well as on Instagram stories, and of course we're adding YouTube to the mix. So you're actually in my dressing room right now, and yeah, it's a little bit big. Because I do so much production work, I wanted a space where if I was doing makeup with a professional, I could have my makeup artist hair, and my clothes are always lined up, so it's always color scaped according to the blues are together and dresses with dresses. But you know what? It doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't matter if you have a dressing room like mine or you're walking into a tiny closet. What I want you to get from doing lives is that you have to show up with presence, right? And I know that a lot of you may be concerned about, oh, I don't have the right clothes and I don't have this, and I want to say to you that stop it right now. You don't have to have much to give much. The most important thing, of course, is to remember that when you show up, you want to look as presentable as you know how to, as your audience expects you to, but it's the value that you are bringing, right? It's a value that you're bringing that's so super important. So yeah, I get dressed probably about 2 hours before I go live, because I want to be in a settled space in my mind to be able to articulate what's coming out of my head. And for me, sometimes it's a lot of ideas. So I want to make sure that I'm giving specific examples. So I tend to get prepared about 2 hours before. And but before that, I have a small team, a tiny team, and they would have helped me set up where exactly I want to do my Facebook Live. So as you can tell, I'm sure the lighting is changing. It's pretty dark outside, so we wanted to maximize the light. So for my Facebook Live, I've sat on this green couch. I have actually sat on this white couch, and I've sat by my white table, and mostly though, this actually is one of the tables that I sit on. It's actually a table that can hold 16 people, and it's really simple, right? I set up my laptop to get some height. This is a trick you can do. I put a couple of books below it, and then I sit on this book so that there's a little bit of an eye level to my videos. And there are no notes. I do say a quick prayer before I begin, because I don't want to like say anything wrong or do a tongue twister. And you know what? If it happens, it's okay. I guess what I want you to know that is that doing a Facebook Live is really easy. And what happens when you do it is that the algorithm works in your favor, because people like, they comment, you get impressions left. I like to call them footprints. So you get footprints left, and the algorithm shifts and recognizes that people are engaging with your content. And the more people engage, the more they want to show your content to a wider audience. So it's really important, but forget engagement for a second and just think about the value you bring and the ideas and suggestions and the gifts that you offer to your audience, which is so crucial, because everybody wants to be motivated and everybody wants to be inspired. And no matter if you're doing something along the lines of consulting or styling, or you're selling beauty oils, or you're selling a service, people want to know more. That's why they follow you. And doing lives really help you connect on a deeper level with your audience. So I hope that helped. I'm going live in 20 minutes, so I have to sign off. So until next time, bye.